Yeah. You thought I was gone, huh? Buried me too early. Guess what? I dug myself out. They tossed dirt on my name, said I'd never bounce back. Now I'm knocking at the surface with a shovel in a black mask, screaming through the soil, middle fingers to the past. I ain't dead, I was sleeping with my pen in a flask. 6 feet deep, but my rhymes hit harder. Every bar's got bite like a pit bull's father. Thought I was a corpse, now I'm colder than ever. Resurrected with vendettas, now I'm severing tethers. No peace signs, only battle scars and rage. Turned the coffin to a booth, now I spit from the grave. You can hear the chains drag when I march on the beat. I ain't chasing no crown, I'm here to rip out the sea. Out the coffin, back from hell. Raised by pain, baptized in nails. Thought I vanished, trick, I evolve. I ain't dead, just dissolve the walls. Out the coffin, no suit, no tie, just a mic, some scars, and 1,000 lies. You buried me wrong, now I'm breathing in fire. A legend reborn, dressed in barbed wire. I spit venom, stitch my chest with vengeance. Turn trauma to tracks, now they beg for penance. Every critic tried to chalk me out in silence. Now I'm louder than a riot in a room full of tyrants. You prayed for my fall, I knelt and rose higher. Took the pitchfork and turned it into ghost writers. No fear in my voice, just echoes of war. I'm the scream in your dreams and the blood on the floor. Told the devil I'm back, he offered me deals. Told him I'd rather die again than beg to kneel. Every punchline's pressure, every hook's a scar. I rap like I got one shot left in the dark. Out the coffin, back from hell. Raised by pain, baptized in nails. Thought I vanished, trick, I evolve. I ain't dead, just dissolve the walls. Out the coffin, no suit, no tie, just a mic, some scars, and 1,000 lies. You buried me wrong, now I'm breathing in fire. A legend reborn, dressed in barbed wire. You ever look death in the face and laugh? I did. Told the Reaper, hold my mic. Now I'm here to collect. I don't rap for rewards, I rap for revenge. Every syllable's a bullet and this flow never ends. I clawed through the dirt with a path full of sins. Now I'm back with a grin and a war I can win. So remember my name, stitch it on your fear, I don't fade. Like voices in your ear, this is raw resurrection. Bars without